Good morning. I'm Andy Myers at Weiss Research.
I'm Jen Amos, and this is your morning market update for Wednesday, April 20th. Stocks are rallying around the globe amid strong corporate earnings. Here in the U.S., we're seeing the biggest gains in the technology sector, following a blowout quarter from Intel. The world's biggest chip maker reported a 29% jump in first quarter profit, topping Wall Street estimates. And Intel's revenue grew by 25%, led by strong corporate demand. The company also raised its outlook for the current quarter above consensus forecasts. Right now, shares of Intel are jumping more than 6%. And Yahoo is also sharply higher in trading, rising 4%. After yesterday's closing bell, it posted a smaller than expected decline in quarterly profit and sales.
The stock market is also getting a boost from Dow component United Technologies, as well as a big deal in the utility industry. UTC is jumping nearly 5% after beating expectations with its quarterly numbers. The conglomerate posted a 17% increase in profit, led by strong sales at its carrier heating and ventilation business. Following the report, United Technologies raised its earnings forecast for the full year. Meanwhile, in M&A news, AES is buying DPL, the parent of Dayton Power and Light, for about $3.5 billion. AES provides electricity to 28 countries and will add DPL's infrastructure to its business at Indianapolis Power and Light. The deal is worth $30 a share, which is a nearly 9% premium over DPL's closing price on Tuesday and 13% above its 90-day average. Right now, shares of DPL are jumping 9%, and AES is up more than 4%.
But the news isn't all good today. Several stocks are losing ground after disappointing earnings. Wells Fargo is dropping nearly 5%, despite a 48% jump in first quarter profit. The bank's loan book continued to expand, and non-performing assets declined during the quarter. But revenue fell more than 5%, missing estimates. Shares of Wells Fargo have fallen nearly 10% over the past 12 months, underperforming the S&P Financials Index. Investors also seem unimpressed by IBM and AT&T's quarterly numbers. IBM's profits and sales were roughly in line with expectations, and the company raised its earnings outlook for the full year. But its shares are losing nearly 2%. And AT&T is little changed in early trading, despite posting a 39% jump in first quarter profit on strong wireless service and data revenue growth. After today's closing bell, Apple will report its results along with American Express and Qualcomm.
Aside from corporate news, the other big story in the markets continues to be commodities. Gold is rising to another record above $1,500 an ounce, and silver is trading at its highest level in more than 3 decades, near $45 an ounce. Investors are buying precious metals as a hedge against inflation and economic uncertainty around the world. Meanwhile, crude oil is jumping back near $110 a barrel amid post-election violence in Nigeria. And all commodities are getting help from a sinking dollar. It's falling sharply against the euro and the Australian dollar today. That's the latest from Weiss Research. Have a great trading day.